Good morning, friends. Happy Thursday to all of you. It is possible to receive another $1,400 stimulus check this year. But the deadline to claim any available stimulus money is coming up very soon. And some Americans will be required to take action in order to get a $1,400 relief payment. Friends, this is your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. Please make sure that you watch until the end of this video, and also know that I'll be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. To enter the giveaways, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the more likelihood your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway.
Working families with their kitchen table issues, recognizing the needs in rural America, for us to have legislation that strengthens rural America's hand in the decisions that we make as we go forward. Mr. Speaker, as we gather here, the war continues in Ukraine. It is an unprovoked, outrageous act of aggression on the part of Putin and Russia invading the territorial borders of Ukraine. At the same time, doing that has driven up prices here at home. Driven up price at the pump. It is a Putin price at the pump. That's the main reason in the short period of time following the invasion of Ukraine, the price of the pump went up its highest amount in a very long time. Russia is also a source of fertilizer, a big source of fertilizer to our country, and of course, diminishing the supply coming in raises the cost of fertilizer, contributes to the cost for our farmers, and of course then contributes to the price of food at the grocery store, and is an important kitchen table issue. Putin's price at pump is exacerbating the skyrocket cost, weighing heavily on our families. Again, since Russia began its saber rising against Ukraine, gas prices in many places went up $2 per gallon. Meanwhile, the World Bank reports that global food prices in March and April spiked 16% over the 2 months prior. And while Putin works to fuel inflation, today the Democratic House, and hopefully in a bipartisan way, takes a strong step to bring down crucial kitchen table cost of the pump and grocery store and across the board. Our lower food and fuel...
About 3 million New Yorkers are eligible for a homeowner tax rebate that will be hitting mailboxes this very month, with checks totaling up to $100 or more per household. The rebate is part of a one-year program that will provide direct property tax relief to eligible homeowners. According to the New York State Department of Taxation and Finance, those who qualify will automatically be sent a check for the amount of their credit. The first checks were sent out earlier this month. The tax department has said that eligible homeowners who don't receive a check by early July can expect to receive one before their school tax bills are due. To be eligible, you must meet these criteria. You qualified for a 2022 STAR credit or exemption, and you had an annual income that was less than or equal to $250,000 for the 2020 income tax year. In a bid to combat inflation and rising gas prices, the Chicago City Council has introduced the Chicago Moves initiative. This aims to issue up to 50,000 prepaid gas cards of $150 and then 100,000 prepaid transit cards of $50 to all eligible residents across the city. Chicago City Mayor Lori Lightfoot said in a press statement, "The passage of Chicago Moves is a win for all Chicago residents struggling with transportation expenses. By assisting Chicago residents with their expenses for gas and transit, this program will enable participants to save their resources for other critical expenses and also focus on their own needs and goals." Also, friends, you still have the opportunity to claim the third stimulus payment that was worth up to $1,400 per person by filing your 2021 tax return. According to the IRS, there is still time to file to get any missed 2021 stimulus payments. You can check your IRS online account for any unpaid stimulus payment and for what amount that you might be owed. The IRS also has sent out information to individuals confirming the total amount of their third economic impact payment and any plus-up payments that they received for the tax year 2021 via a letter 6475. The information contained in the letter or in your online account will be needed to submit a 2021 recovery rebate credit on your 2021 federal tax return in 2022. Third stimulus check payments are based on the most recent federal tax return on file with the IRS. That means you could be owed more money if your income dropped or you added a new dependent in 2021. Individuals are eligible to receive the full amount of $1,400 per person if they earn less than $75,000 a year. But even though 3 rounds of stimulus payments have already been sent out, it is clear that another stimulus check should be passed to help the American people. Friends, the keyword for this video is Montana. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, friends, the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chance of winning. Thank you so much, friends. President Biden told the largest federal of labor unions this week that he's working to rebuild the U.S. economy around workers, which is an attempt to draw a contrast with Republicans who have increasingly attracted blue-collar votes. Inflation at a more than 40-year high has caused voters to sour on the economy, despite a recovery after the crisis-induced downturn that has led to robust hiring and a healthy 3.6% unemployment rate. The president tried to remind his audience of the food lines and layoffs during the crisis that preceded his presidency, contrasting that with the improvements in household balance sheets under his watch. But even as the economy has quickly amassed jobs, inflation has left many workers feeling even worse, as wages have not kept up with the cost of living. The Labor Department said that average hourly earnings, after adjusting for inflation, have fallen 3% over the past year. So friends, what are your thoughts on this? What can our government do to reduce inflation? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my fabulous friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much for joining me here and watching my videos on a daily basis. And I truly hope that you all found this information helpful. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Penny A. Mason. Congratulations, dear friend. Please note that if I have named you as the winner, check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Thursday.